this is your girl Francine, aka Michi Boo, and yes, so we there. Yes, so we are go. And we say we taking it to you. And where we are go this morning? The Reach Falls, man. Portland's setting.
Hey, people. Although I drive 2 hours and 48 minutes, but I don't check still, man. Because you see, when you reach a them place here and see the beauty of Portland, Jamaica, oh gosh, man, look across the sea there, so. Hey, people, look here. You know which farm I'm there right now? Reach Falls out of Portland, I tell you this. You see the beauty will be captured so far, and when I reach the falls yet, I be things. I mean, you know, say you are going to enjoy that video here. So remember to like, subscribe, share, and drop in your comments. Remember, they depend on you. Boom blast!
Oh, who this?
Hey.
Oh, who this?
Ready in
Muma. Raquel, how are you there?
Me say,
Raquel, how are you there?
Portland. May I tell you, say, a long time, you know, get all them nice area in my body. People, you can't come to Jamaica and not come to Portland. Remember, me told you.
Get them the walk. Get them the walk. Get them the walk. Hey, get them the walk. Hey, get them the
Yes, from the Reach Falls, the water nice and cool. What? Hey, remember me tell you now, when you come to Jamaica, you have to come check it out. Reach Falls the thing there, and a normal thing, and a joke thing, and one heap of shell down and go on. Watch it, people. Whoa!
6 minutes now she'll try coming out the water and stuck. People, see her, yeah? A joke thing she left on. She can't reach into the water now. Every minute she walk into the water, she stuck. See it there?
A long time I don't feel water cold, so you know, man. Woo! Hey, you ever watch the James?
Wet up your blood. Wet you up, man. Bag chatting. Wet up your blood. Wet you up, man. Wet you up, man.
Ask them if they know about the James Bond film. I mean, it started with James Bond in the film. Ask them.
Let me see a swim off now. Chuck off now. Chuck off. I eat that. I thought you done this, huh? Chuck off.
Woo! Look here. You ever climb up there, sir?
You're mad?
Hey, I would walk climb up there.
People.
No man, it can't so difficult. It can't so hard. My athlete friend, my athlete. Hey! Woo! Wow! Yeah. Mine is slip and drop, and that me I tell you. People, it's rough power. It's rough power, but we not give up. Take it to them. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. See my star friend, yeah. See my star baller friend, yeah. Yeah. Stop that. Yeah. How you feel up there? Hey, you know much people there and she the only one where I do this man. She the only one where I do this man. I hear I go beat out in the water man. What's the joke? See it there? Whoa! Hey, people. You see, if you have money and you come down here, I will teach you how to swim.
You can swim? You can swim, Raquel. Then show the people them no man. If you can swim, make us see you swim.
Look here, which style you want me to?
Float. Yeah.
Where's the float?
Float. Go in it. See it there? Float. Yeah, man.
Where's the float?
Float.
You want me float?
Right now. Slow motion that. A joke thing in upon.
Where's the float?
Float no man. Float no man.
Alright, watch it.
No, how we are do? Chuck off. Hey. Oh, what kind of joke? You're a coward, man.
No, I'm float enough.
Float then, man.
Watch out.
Yeah. Float. Float, Raquel. Float now.
Like, share and subscribe. Here.
The people them not here. What you say? Like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, man.
Boom
Like,
blast.
share, subscribe.
Say float. You know what? Hey, you see if you want some float, you have to like, share and subscribe. Cause this is one dangerous thing, you know. You think a normal people float, you know, she tried and couldn't do it. Watch this.
See it.
Wait.
Yeah, man, me know, man. I trick people all the while. Alright, serious, no joke, you know. People.
Me need little help. Watch out, listen.
Can't say I could never come and river come swim, what you mean? Yeah, man, dive with style, man.
You never tell me, say, man.
Wait! Hold on, Black Star. Hold on, please.
Ready now. 1, 2, 3, go! Me coulda do that. Alright, so me go venture under a cave right now. Me no know how serious it is. Me no know how scary it is. But remember me tell you, me not come so far and I go enjoy what go on underneath the cave. So watch this. Get ready because it's going to be crazy! You're not going? Yeah. No. Right there, Sam. Right there. too. Right here, sir?